right, now we're going to look at packaging our system. So this is the individual mechanical advantage system. So all we did here was accordion roll these up into 2 equal halves, or almost equal halves. And as we stated before, we collapse this down so it won't fold over and twist on us. The primary rope grab, the rope man, is already attached on there, and we just kind of lay that right down in there. Over to the side here, we have our 120 centimeter Edelred Aramid sling, which we just accordion rolled up there, which will go right in between these carabiners. Pull that rope man out of the way, and that will just hold its place in there, placing the rope man right on in there. Over to the side, we have our spare oval and a BT prusik, which adds a lot of versatility to the kit on what we need to do, whether we need to do a rapid ascent or rigging as far as a haul, and then rapidly descent or lower them. The VT is what gives us the opportunity to do that. Roll that up. There's a rear pouch. So we place that in, and we also place the oval carabiner in with that. Now we'll take these 2 ends, and each one will feed right into the elastic holders and hold those into place for packaging. The 2 rubber bands, Rigger's rubber bands, are what hold those together for you, so it stays pretty neat. And you also don't have to deploy all that rope if you don't have to, if you're doing something like a pickoff. Once you have everything packed in there, it's optional whether you want to keep your pull tab in or out. Keep it out for this. We fold that right over to the side. Zip that up. Keep that mounted however you want, and then this will release the zippers for a quick release.